What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the Boys. As always, we have our
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Hey guys. Yeah, it's been a while. You know what we do here, cooking. So today, as you see the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be doing what we call a $5 challenge. Yes. So we have to make something eatable, consumable with $5. So something like that. So guys, so this is the ingredients. This is our ingredients, so it's to get into the video.
Okay friends, so let's go. As you can see, I have here, this is my tray. Okay. Spaghetti or pasta. Spaghetti. Some of this.
Sausage.
Okay. Just see what I'm doing. Go to the inside. I'm going to be putting it in like that. Hi friends. So see, as you can see, we're almost done. But you be careful, don't let water touch it, because once it's wet, it will give you hard time to put. We have our water on fire. We're going to be adding salt. Trust me, my signature. I'll be adding vegetable oil to it. Then please check, let me have the macaroni.
This is macaroni, this is how it looks.
That's it. I'm going to be dropping it. Drop it. I don't know, at this point, I don't think we'll be able to cover it. I think we'll just leave it to cook for some minutes.
So we break our egg.
As Jeff is breaking the egg while I'm cutting the veggies. So this is one. Jeff, whisk it very well. I'll be adding black pepper, little seasoning. This I'll be adding little. I should add to it again. Guys, this is the egg. I'm going to be tying it, pour a little amount into this nylon, the veggies. I'll use one for two. This is the egg. I'm just going to drop it into it. So friends, I'm cutting the veggies. I'm not good that they can use it. I've shown you how to use it, how to cut it without using your bare hands. This is it. I'm done cutting the veggies. So this is the egg. So it's ready. The problem there is that I make the nylon, I tie it too tight, and it not keep space. You understand? But it still came out good. I'll be putting in my coconut oil. I like using coconut oil because it's very good. It's good for the body. As usual.
this is sauce I'm putting on top of the spaghetti.
Yeah. That's it.
Guys, don't forget, this is the $5 challenge. This is what we do with $5.
Yes.
That's what's on the title. So it's looking good already. But I cannot wait. You know, my own favorite part is the tasting aspect of all this.
So you can comment whatever you feel about this video, or
I think that hit the like because it helps the video, you know, it helps the channel a lot. And subscribe. Okay, guys, we are done. We are back. Look at the meal. Look at it. It's
live and direct. $5
challenge. This is what you make for $5. Convert it in whatever country you are. Change the currency. This is what you make with $5.
Honestly,
like
it looks yummy. Very, very nice.
Anyways, now Mr. Taste. I told you my favorite part.
Okay. So join me, my guys, friends. Use the egg.
You can see the maca in it.
See. I like this sauce very well. So guys, see you in our next video, right?
Guys,
Try this.
you have learned something today. So without payment, nothing. So just like the video, subscribe, comment. How hard?
That's just it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Love you. Bye.
Yeah. Stay safe. Eat healthy. Stay healthy. I say
All the elders.
Yeah. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.